Number 4. The diagram shows an image of a chloroplast. The image is 5 centimeter long. The actual length of the chloroplast is 5 micrometer. What is the magnification of the image? So in order to calculate magnification, you just have to remember this formula. So magnification is image size over actual size. So in this case, the image is 5 centimeters and the actual length is 5 micrometer. So the difference between centimeter and micrometer is that first you have to know the difference between centimeter and the millimeter, which is 10. The difference between the millimeters and micrometers is of course 1,000. So if it's 5 centimeters, then it must be 50 micrometers. So it's now 50,000 micrometers over 5 micrometers, which is 10,000. So here the answer is 10,000, C. So always remember the formula and the rest of it will be quite easy. Of course you have to know the differences between the units, but I've written it here, so you remember this one, okay? Okay.